the ukulele, Jeff Hamilton. On the trumpet, Todd Joseph. On the slide whistle, from Vancouver, Adam Schwartz. The leader of the Horns of Dilemma. He has been playing with us since the age of 14. On the tenor saxophone, on the baritone saxophone, on the contrabass saxophone, Blaze Garza. On the fiddle, the guitar, the banjo, singing all the songs, Gordon Gino.
Thank you. On the bass guitar, the cajon. I got a feeling there's a xylophone marimba thing coming up. Lots of stuff. Brian Ritchie.
Father, Son, and the Holy Ghost. So please learn to be society. And I'm tired of totally behind you. I did the black girl. I did the black girl. I did the black girl.